Joey. Okay, so every time I go to let Scouty outside, Joey makes a beeline for the door and wants to go out in the snow. So I bundled him up, and we're going to let him experience the snow for the first time. You ready, Scout? What do you think, Joey? Joey. Henry, you don't have the clothes on to come out here. Don't you dare. No, Henry. Ah! Okay, buddy. Come here. Okay. There he goes. Exploring in the snow. What do you think? Jojo, where are you going? Oh boy. I guess we should go get him, huh, Hen?